Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a parametric surface using 3ds Max. So what you want to do is open up 3ds Max first and let's begin. So we'll start off by creating our wall plane. Let's make this one about 150 by 150. Yep, that's fine. We're going to want to right click, convert to editable poly. Once that's done, you're going to want to head over to the modify list again and go to vertex. Once that breaks up your surface for you, grab the corners and you're going to want to use soft selection and manipulate the fall off so in the corners it'll manipulate it in an extreme and then it'll get less of a fall off as we move it this way. Once you're happy with that, let's adjust these guys. Then let's adjust the other two corner friends. And we're going to drop these two. Yep, perfect. I'm going to jump out of vertex over on the right. And let's put him above the floor plane. Yep, that looks good. Perfect. Okay, so second step, let's grab this guy again. And instead of going into vertex, we're going into edges this time. And you're going to want to just grab onto the edges there. Any edge is fine, yep, that should be fine. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the soft selection this time. We're going to head down to modeling, polygon modeling, and we're going to go to generate typology. In this, we're going to create the hive surface. So once you hit that, that's fine. Now, instead of edge and vertex this time, we're going into polygon. So we're going to grab all the polygons that we just created. And once that's done, we're going to create an inset. So let's head down to the edit polygons, go to inset. We're going to go make sure we're on scale. We're going into by polygon, change that to 0. And hit OK. So now what we're going to do, we're going to manipulate the surface as such. So we're going to create really small versions of these little guys with the scale, and we're going to delete them. So as you can see, the little holes. Now that we have that, we're going to jump out of polygon and grab the move tool, make sure he's all good. Yep, that's fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab this guy and copy him over twice. So let's move him over, create 2 copies, and here we go. Cool, so now we've got 3 variations. So what we're going to do, we're going to create 2 different variations in the insets, and then what we're going to do in the next video, we're going to join them back into this guy. So we're going to first manipulate the first one. So you're going to want to grab him, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to border, and you're going to grab everything excluding the external border. So you just got to hit Alt and make sure the external surface isn't highlighted. Similar to the previous step, we're going to grab the scale tool, pick any inset, and we're going to manipulate it this way. And yep, that looks good. Let's go belly. Yep, once you're happy with that, that's good. Now we're going to do the same to his friend on the right. We're going to go to border again. And we're going to grab everything in there, excluding the outer rim. Now that we have everything, instead of using scale, we're going to use the move tool, which is already highlighted, which is perfect. And we're just going to want to highlight everything again. exclude this guy. And we're going to just manipulate it as such. Don't want it too extreme, something a little more subtle. Yep, that works for me. And there we have it, guys. So that's the first section on how to create a parametric surface. In the next video, I'll show you how to merge these all into one and manipulate the surface further. Thanks for watching.